Welcome guys to HintFlow. In this video, we are going to learn how to transfer files from our Android phone onto our MacOS and vice versa. We are going to use an app called Handshaker. I will leave a link to it in the description below. Open Handshaker. Download Handshaker onto your Android phone. You can find it on the Play Store. Once you have downloaded it, install Handshaker onto your Android phone. Connect your Android phone to your macOS with a USB cable. Once you are connected, it will automatically connect to your Android phone, showing every single file on your Android phone. You can now drag and drop onto your macOS. You can also drag from your macOS onto your Android phone. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave your thoughts in the comment section. See you guys in the next video.